Okay, so on this 2010 Ford Focus, we got the engine light. So we're gonna check it with a scan gauge to see if we can actually get a code out of it. It's connecting. Okay, scan. Wants the code. Let's get the codes. P0303. Alright. That means there's a misfiring on the third cylinder. Okay, now on the 2.0, the cylinders are 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is the one that's actually causing the problems. It's an 8mm. Okay, this is what I pulled out of cylinder 3. As you can tell, it's pretty burnt, and well, it just basically busted, I guess. So we will be replacing it. The gap is non-existent, actually. Ideally, you want to have a spark plug socket, but I don't have one right now, or it's misplaced. So it looks kind of cone shaped, you know, where you can almost drop it in and it should find its way. Just make sure you thread it right. So we'll go from there, and then we'll replace the other 3, because it's, you know, suggested to change all 4 of them at the same time. You don't want to force it, you know, just let it slide in. We're also going to do the coil insulators while we're at it. So just basically push those in, and you got a brand new one. Snap into place. There you have it. And there we go. Let's do the other ones just for fun. Like I said, it really helps if you have a spark plug socket. And we're all done.